Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious kiwi lemonade, a perfect refreshing drink for any occasion. We'll start by gathering our fresh ingredients, then move on to preparing a sweet, simple syrup. Next, we'll blend and strain the vibrant kiwis to get that smooth, fruity base. Finally, we'll combine everything to create a delightful beverage that's sure to impress. Let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need 6 ripe kiwis, 4 large lemons, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 2 cups of water. First, let's make our simple syrup. In a small saucepan, combine the 1 cup of sugar with 2 cups of water. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring continuously until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. Once dissolved, remove it from the heat and let it cool down completely before moving on to the next step. Now, let's prepare our star ingredients. Begin by peeling and roughly chopping your 6 ripe kiwis. Place the chopped kiwi into a blender with about 1/4 cup of water and blend until it's perfectly smooth. To ensure a silky texture, strain this kiwi puree through a fine mesh sieve, pressing down to extract all the liquid and leave behind any seeds. Next, squeeze your 4 large lemons to get approximately 1 cup of fresh lemon juice. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. In a large pitcher, combine your vibrant kiwi puree and the freshly squeezed lemon juice. Gradually add the cooled simple syrup to your liking. I recommend starting with about half and tasting as you go. Stir in 3 cups of cold water to achieve your desired consistency. Serve this delightful kiwi lemonade over plenty of ice, garnished with fresh kiwi slices and a sprig of mint for that extra touch of freshness. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.